Hello everyone. Today, we are going to walk through how to add direct deposit on Paylocity so you can get your paycheck deposited automatically. First, log into your Paylocity account through the app or website. If you don't have an account, you will need to register with your company's code and personal information. Once logged in, navigate to the payroll settings section. So this is where you can manage your payment options including direct deposit. So under direct deposit, click on add account, enter your bank account details including your routing number and account number. Double check to make sure everything is accurate. Next, choose how much of your paycheck you want to deposit into this account. You can opt for a full deposit or divide it between multiple accounts. So after entering all the information, click submit to save your direct deposit settings. So your direct deposit should take effect in the next pay cycle. And that's it. You have successfully set up direct deposit on Paylocity. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.